Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable the Instagram app to start automatically when you sign in on your PC, using the latest update. This feature is super handy if you want to jump straight into Instagram without having to open the app manually every time you log in. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once it's open, look towards the top of the page and find the three dots icon. This icon usually represents more options or settings, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking the three dots, you'll see a menu pop up. From this menu, select App Info. This will take you directly to the app's settings page on your computer. In the settings, look for the option labeled Start App when you sign in. This is the key setting that controls whether Instagram launches automatically when you log into your PC. Simply toggle this option on to enable it. Once enabled, Instagram will open by itself every time you sign in, saving you a step and getting you right into your feed faster. That's it. You've just set Instagram to start automatically on your PC. This small adjustment can make your daily Instagram browsing much smoother and more convenient. If you ever want to disable this feature, just follow the same steps and toggle the option off. It's that easy to customize your Instagram experience on your computer. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined Instagram access.